Alright, in this step we want to talk about how we can show our viewer in the VR world, not in AR. As we mentioned before, in the register scene we have a toggle, it's called Multiuser VR. Once we check off the Chromakey, and it means we are the receiver of the video, and also once the multi-user VR check on, the content will be show us as a VR, not in AR mode. So we can go to the script of register, and you can see when we check on the multi-user VR, it will save in the same parameters in multi-user VR mode in here with the player preset string, and we save it in here. And in the pawn system we have two parameters in here, VR avatar and VR ground. It is exactly like the when we wanted to make our VR in real time, and we go here and we say okay, we have our avatar and our ground. In the ground, as a child of grounds, we can create our scene in VR and whatever we want to show to the users as a VR place. And we have avatar in here exactly like the past, but in the VR camera we have camera left, camera right, exactly like that method we have explained before. The Chromakey view is front of the VR camera, or you can put it as a static object in some place of your VR area. It doesn't matter. I set it as a child of the VR camera, so in every location and every rotation we rotate our phone and our VR camera, we can see the content of Chromakey in the front of the camera. And as you can see, it is exactly like the viewer of the Chromakey in here for the AR. It is the same material, so the result will be the same. Only thing is, once we made this, we need to say, okay, we are in the user is in the VR mode, so we don't need to detect the ground, and we don't need to have the placement indicator and other things for the AR surface tracking, because we don't need it. As you can see in the here, we have defined two parameters, a VR avatar and VR ground, and also multi-user VR mode. And we say, okay, once the VR mode, multi-user VR mode equal true, so let's turn on and show us the VR avatar set active true and VR ground in here. And also for the another system for here, it is the same, yeah. And also let me check this part of the AR, click to place. Yes, everything is fine. Only things we need to show to the user is in here, VR avatar set active true and VR ground set active true. With this method, once we log in with the multi-user VR check on, our user will see the view camera of the avatar, camera left and camera right, because the camera left and camera right have depths equal true or 3, I don't know, more than the depths of the AR camera. And also the Chromakey view in here, you can put as a 3D object in your scene, for example something like this, or even we can copy and paste and put it in here, something like this. Okay, or whatever. Everywhere you can put your Chromakey view at there and make your scene with the VR. In this mode we can see the result, and the real-time video has been shared in the stream in the front of the view of VR camera. Okay, let's go to export an APK, exactly the same method, register an online stream, and test it in the real condition with 2 users. User 1 must be the Chromakey, and multi-user VR must be off, and the user B must be in Chromakey off and multi-user VR on. Let's test it in the real condition.